Google Veo 3 image to video tutorial for beginners. Hello everyone and welcome back. So if you're looking to convert your images into amazing videos, you can use Google Veo 3, which is using great realism to take any photo and convert that into an amazing clip. Not only that, Veo 3 has the ability to add sound, so you're able to build amazing videos with audio. Not only that, but it can create hyper-realistic videos and expand on scenes. So you can take one scene and then expand on it to build entire storylines. So let's go on ahead and get started with Veo 3. To get started, head on over to deepmind.google and you can click on Try and Flow or Try and Gemini. I'm just going to click on Try and Flow and I'm going to show you guys some of the videos we've already created. So I'm going to click on Create with Flow. Once I do that, this will show me some of their newer updates and we're just going to have to sign in using our account on Google. You do need to have a Google account for this, and then we're just going to click on Get Started to log on into our account. Now, once we've done that, we are going to be landed onto our home screen. And this is an example of an image to a video using Veo 3. So I'm going to click on this to show you guys. And this is what our original image looked like. It's just a very basic static product image that I had. What I asked it to do is to make the model move the eyeshadow palette and then zoom out. And then you guys can see this is what it looks like. It's very beautiful. It's a very realistic video. And honestly, I have seen this model. I have seen this eyeshadow palette and it looks exactly like this in real life. Veo 3 is able to create some hyper-realistic images that have exceeded all of my expectations. So for this, we're going to go back into Flow and click on New Project to get started with our new project. When you click on New Project, this will provide you with an empty screen. And from here on the bottom, you have three options: ingredients to video, text to video, and frames to video. To convert your images to videos, you're going to select the option for frames to video, and you can generate a video with text and frames. Then on the right side, you have the number of outputs per prompt as well as the model. So within this, you have Veo 3, which is text to video with beta audio, or Veo 3 quality, which has beta audio and also the ability to convert frames into videos. Now you're going to click on this plus icon and upload your images, whatever images you want to be using. So today I'm going to be using another product-based image video, and this is just going to be of a woman applying lipstick. Now I'm going to click on over here and I'm just going to proceed with the full canvas. I'm just going to redo the crop here, expand it, and then click on crop and save, like so. Once I have uploaded the image, I can move forward with editing and altering the image. So this is one of the images that we have used, and I might just want to upload another one simply because we do want to include a variety of images. And I'm just going to crop and save our image, and this is of a different model holding a different eyeshadow palette. Now from here you will see two options: the first frame, and then you can choose the second frame. In the second frame, I'm going to be selecting this image, and now what I wanted to do is to make the model move the eyeshadow palette and zoom out to the other model, both standing on a movie set, like so. Now I'm going to proceed, and this is frames to video. We're going to select Veo 3, and this is going to use 10 credits, and you will see the number of credits based upon the video that you're generating, based upon the model that you're using. Now we're going to be using this particular model to convert this into a video. And now within a couple of minutes, our video generation has been completed, and this is what it looks like. So let's take a look at how it has converted our image into a video. So like so, it has zoomed out onto the next model. Now I'm going to move forward and I am going to be creating a new project to include some other types of movement and some other images. Now we have a bunch of different images and videos we've created. This is another example example of a photo to a video where we asked it to make the model move a little, and this is how the model is moving. So this is hyper realistic because we haven't included too much movement. When you try to include too many elements, because the second duration is limited, it's going to be a bit more scrambled and a bit less hyper realistic. So we're going to again go into frames to video. We're going to be adding one frame in this. I'm going to click on upload to upload the image that I want. You can truly upload anything you prefer. I'm just going to find something that is going to look interesting. So our image is now being uploaded, and I'm just going to wait a couple of seconds for our image to be uploaded. And once the image is uploaded, this is our first frame. I'm not going to actually add a second frame to this. I'm going to be selecting Veo 3, and then this is going to take 100 credits. Now I'm going to specify, I want the model to move and show the camera pans out to show the model's face. And then just like so, I have taken this image that does not include the face of the model, only the clothing of the model, and let's take a look at what type of hyper-realistic image it can create by using this simple prompt. Now our video generation has been completed, and let's go on ahead and take a look at what type of video it has created. So this is our video, and the model is now moving, and wow, this is so amazing. Now, I am truly astonished at how beautiful it was able to make this image and how realistic it looks. Because if you look at this at a glance, you would not even know that this was generated using Veo 3 or any AI tool whatsoever. Not only can you create an amazing video out of a simple image like this, but now if I want to expand on this video, I can click on add to scene, and once I click on add to scene, I can generate a video with more text. Now for this, I'm going to go with text to video. The model starts to walk towards the camera, and now I can proceed with building the next scene. And scene by scene, you are able to create longer AI videos, which has previously been very difficult and very expensive if you are ever using any other AI tool. The best part is that you can use 100 credits with Veo 3, but if you want a really short scene or a scene where detail is not going to be as impactful, you can use the fast versions, which only take 20 and 10 credits to help you in creating longer videos while using the least amount of credits possible. If you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like, and if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below, and I will try to answer as soon as possible, because that is the point of our YouTube channel. I want to show you guys on how to glide through these platforms and how to easily navigate and fulfill the purposes that you want to do with these social platforms. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.